Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a curious boy named Tanvir. He had big dreams and an even bigger imagination. One sunny morning, while sitting by the old oak tree, he decided it was time for an adventure. Tanvir packed a small bag with a sandwich, an apple, and a map. He'd drawn himself. With a determined look on his face, he set off on a path he'd never taken before. The world outside his village was wide and full of mysteries. As he walked, Tanvir saw tall trees, their branches reaching for the sky, and heard the cheerful chirping of birds. He crossed a little bridge over a babbling brook, its water sparkling in the sunlight. Each step felt like a new discovery. After a while, Tanvir came across a meadow filled with colorful wildflowers. It was so beautiful that he decided to sit down and enjoy it. He felt the soft grass beneath him and watched the butterflies dance in the breeze. As the day went on, Tanvir encountered friendly animals like squirrels and rabbits. They seemed to welcome him to their home. He shared his apple with them and felt a warmth in his heart. Just when the sun began to set, Tanvir reached a hill that overlooked a breathtaking sight. Before him stretched a vast expanse of rolling hills and distant mountains painted in shades of pink and gold by the setting sun. It was like a painting come to life. Tanvir knew he couldn't go on forever, so he found a cozy spot to rest for the night. He gazed at the stars, feeling a sense of wonder and contentment. He was thankful for the day's adventure and the beauty he'd discovered. The next morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and purple, Tanvir retraced his steps back to the village. He returned with a heart full of stories and a spirit forever changed. From that day on, Tanvir's village became a little brighter. He shared his tales of the meadow, the animals, and the hill with everyone. And he knew, deep down, that this adventure was just the beginning of many more to come. And so, the curious boy named Tanvir continued to explore, knowing that every step he took was the start of a new odyssey, filled with wonders beyond imagination.